Creating a company may not be easy, but creating a company with the help of AI agents can be a breeze. Using Humanizer, you can create agents, you can have them do specific tasks and perform specific functions. Welcome to Reveal Power. My name is Toby and I'm taking you through Humanizer and all that it offers you. Once you log in with your email and your password, you have access to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see your quick links, you can manage your teams, you can see integrations, tutorials, bonuses, and support. From here, you can also see your agents that you set as favorites. We'll take a look at all of them again. From here, you can create multiple agencies. As you can see, we have one workspace already. You can create a new workspace, include the name of our workspace, and create workspace. This allows you to separate different agents from others. As you can see here, we have no agent. Where you can create new agents by clicking on the agent panel. You can create using templates, so you can create from scratch. Let's create using templates. And when we're creating using templates, you can see there are so many templates you can choose from veterinary doctors to templates involved in sports and creation, software, social media, religious organizations, marketing, and so much more. So let's pick a manufacturing firm. And here we can customize our agent. We can customize our agent's name. Let's call him Joseph. We can pick the language our agent will speak in. We can pick his tone. We can pick the position, whether it should be set on the left or set on the right for the chat. You can choose any specific animation we want. You can choose when we want to use an AI voice. You can choose to also clone our own voice. You can pick if you want it to be a dark theme or a light theme. Then next we can save and move to the next one. Here we can adjust the training. We can choose what we want the agent's end goal to be. You can see all the end goals are already set, but you can definitely edit them. Next, you can choose the GPT model you want. It's advisable to use the most recent form of the GTB model. Response length, you can choose if you want it to be a short length. You can choose if it should be medium or large. You can choose if you want it to support regional languages, that is other languages that may not be your initial language, like English language. You can choose your knowledge source. If you want the AI to respond based on what it knows, if you want it to be based on what it knows and what you train it to be, or only the trainings that you give it. And if you're going to include a training, you have to include a URL or a file that's to use for its training. You can save and move to the next one. And here you can see the welcome message that will be presented to any user that wants to interact with your humanized AI agent. So you can choose the welcome message, a thank you message at the end of the conversation, FAQs that will probably be asked by the user and automated responses that it would give. If you would like to activate a lead form, and it's advisable to include a lead form so you can generate leads. You can choose when you want the lead form to be displayed. It should be displayed when the conversation is starting or when the conversation is ending. You can choose an autoresponder on that lead form. You can select specific lists that you want the lead to be generated to. So we've not integrated any autoresponder, so you cannot select it here. Also, you can include a feedback form. This feedback will be shown to your user after the conversation. And finally, you can choose your footer branding, where you can upload your logo or add your text. And when you're satisfied with that, you can publish your AI agent. Here you can see the embed code. This embed code will be added to the header section of your website. You can choose if you want it to be a standalone code to make it standalone, where you can send this link directly to any user and they can interact with your agent. And also you can choose if you want to embed it directly in your web page. And you can see we've created that agent. We can choose to add him to our favorites. You can choose to activate it or deactivate it. I can take a look at the insights. On the insights, we see the feedback that we've gotten from interactions from our agents. You can see the leads, or you can see all the leads that have been gotten when people give their email addresses or phone numbers to our agents. You can see the white label where you can customize the Humanizer platform for your business, for your company, so that if you resell the Humanizer platform, it looks like your own product. And you can take a look at your settings where you can manage the total workspace and the workspaces that you have. You can manage your clients, you can sort them, you can manage the teams and people that have access to Humanizer, you can manage your integrations, where you can integrate your autoresponders, your webinar platforms, your workflow automation, your CRM, and your content providers. You can manage your subscriptions that you have. You can take a look at the tutorials, you can take a look at the bonuses, and you can take a look at support. Let's take a look at the agent that we just created. As you can see, this is Joseph, and you can choose to interact with him. So let's interact. As you can see, the lead is being asked for. So as you can see, the AI agent analyzes the response and gives the most optimized response to that user. When we return to our Humanizer platform, you can see the agents that we have. You can see that we now have new leads. You can see the information that we've gotten. You can see the information that we've gotten, and we can use this to move forward in the sales process. So as you can see, Humanizer is a very powerful platform. When you create multiple agents, you can put them on your different websites, and you can reduce the amount of workload needed by human beings interacting with real human beings by using Humanizer. A link to Humanizer is in the description of this video, and if you have any question, need any clarification, you can ask, and we'd love to answer it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.